Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, professor in Civil Department, AIIT Mangalore. We will go for field astronomy, advanced survey. Now we go for latitude and longitude. This is a very important point of the Earth's surface. If any point of the surface of the Earth is fixed latitude and longitude of the point, in a figure 3.6, you can see the figure. ABCDE is the equilateral great circle. If we consider a point M on the surface of the Earth, its latitude is measured along with the great circle passing through the pole and point M. Such circle is known as meridian circle. Okay. Uh, Now latitude of the place uh, of the angular distance is measured from the equilateral towards the nearer pole along with the meridian of the place. Latitude is the angle subtended by the arc mm dash, where m dash is the point of the meridian of the circle through m intersect the equilateral circle. Alpha is the latitude of m. Okay, the equilateral circle divided the Earth into two halos. The part above the equilateral circle is known as northern hemisphere, and the part below the equilateral circle is southern hemisphere. The angle point measured in the equilateral northern latitude, angle point measured below the southern latitude. Very important. It measures okay latitude. The equilateral circle divided into Earth into two halos. The part above the equilateral circle is called northern hemisphere. Okay, a part below the not this one equilateral circle is called southern hemisphere. The angle point measured above the equator is called northern latitude. The point angle point measured below the equator is called southern latitude. Okay, longitude of the place angular distance between the meridian of place of the standard prime meridian. The meridian to the Greenwich is internally expected by the standard zero meridian. A point may lie east or west of the standard meridian. The longitude can thus be the east latitude longitude or west longitude. Point M lies to the standard meridian and thus is longitude. The longitude angle between the two meridians, okay, thus beta is the longitude of the M. The parallel, okay, the parallel latitude of the circle having the point P as the pole axis, all the point of the parallel latitude, okay, AMBA is the parallel latitude. Point A, M and B have the same latitude. We can see here, okay, in the latitude and longitude. Okay, west latitude longitude here. Okay, parallel of a latitude east longitude here we can see here in the figure. Okay, south latitude, north latitude. Okay, above the equator, below the equator. Okay, below the equator, above the equator. Okay, this we can see. Okay, north latitude, equilateral plane. Below the equilateral plane is the south latitude. Above the equilateral plane, north latitude. We can see here. Okay, west longitude below the this plane. Okay, zero longitude here, parallel latitude, east longitude. It right and left of this one. Okay, beta. We can see the beta here. We can see the alpha. Okay, alpha. This is the latitude and longitude figure. We can see the latitude, south latitude and north latitude. Okay, west longitude and east longitude. Here we can see parallel latitude and zero longitude. Okay. This we can see. Okay. Now crystal sphere. Okay. Millions of the stars we can see. Okay, we can see millions of stars, okay, in the sky. on the clear cloudless night at all the varying distance from us. Since we can consider their relative distance rather than their actual distance from the observer. Okay, we exceeding the convenient to the picture of the star distributed over the surface of the imagined sphere sky, having its center at the position observer of the Earth. The imaginary sphere crystal bodies appear like studded, known as crystal sphere. Okay, we cannot imaginary sphere on the crystal bodies appears to lie or to studded on the crystal. The radius of the crystal sphere may be any value from 1,000 meter or 5,000 kilometer. Okay, since the star is very distant from us, the center of the Earth may be taken as the center of the crystal sphere. The Earth rotates from west to east. The convenient of the considered in the crystal sphere moving from east to west of the Earth motion halted. Now, from the point of view, astronomy survey, the distance of the crystal body not signified but angle. Our interest is limited sun for and a few fixed stars. Okay. Astronomy terms and definition very important. We go for astronomy terms and definition. Okay. First one, crystal sphere. The imaginary sphere crystal body appears to lie or hidden known as crystal sphere. Stars and everything. Okay. Zenith and nether, the vertical line drawn to observe station inside the crystal sphere is 2 points. Zenith is the intersection of the vertical line drawn through the observer station with the upper portion of the crystal sphere. Okay, it is the point of crystal sphere immediately above the observer station. Nadir is the intersection of vertical line drawn through the observer station. However, the portion of the crystal sphere is the point of the crystal sphere immediately below the observer station. Okay, a crystal horizon. It is the great circle traced upon the crystal sphere by the plane which is perpendicular to zenith nadir line, which passes through the center of the crystal horizon. Great circle traced upon the crystal sphere by the plane with perpendicular to zenith nadir, which passes through the center of the plane. Okay, terrestrial poles and equator. Terrestrial poles and equator are the 2 points in the Earth axis of the rotation meet the Earth sphere. Terrestrial equator is a great circle of the Earth plane of which right angle to axis of rotation. Two poles are equidistant from it. Crystal pole and the equator, the Earth axis rotation produce indefinitely. It means crystal sphere 2 point is for north and south crystal pole P and P. Okay, P dash. The crystal equator greater circle crystal sphere which is intersect by the plane of terrestrial equator. Okay. Now sensible horizon. This circle which plane passes through the point of observer and tangentially to the Earth's surface intersect with the crystal sphere. The line of sight is accurate level telescope light this plane. Visible horizon in the circle of contact with the Earth, the cone of visual ray passing to the point of observation. The the circle of contact is small circle of the Earth. Its radius depend upon the attitude or point of observation. Now, vertical circle, we go for the vertical circle. Vertical circle is a crystal sphere, is a great circle passing through the zenith and nadir. They all cut the crystal horizon at right angle. Observer meridian, okay, the meridian of any perpendicular point of the circle which passes through the zenith and nadir of a point as well as through the poles. It is thus a vertical circle. Prime vertical, it is a particular vertical circle which is right angle to meridian and therefore passes through the east and west of the horizon. Uh, pole altitude, pole altitude of a place of angular distance from zenith to the pole It is the complement of latitude. Okay, altitude is a crystal heavenly body. It means sun, that is sun or star. It is the angular distance above the horizon, measure the vertical distance passing through the body. Co-altitude or zenith distance, it is the angular distance of the heavenly body of zenith. It complements or altitude. It is known as zenith distance. Azimuth, azimuth is a heavenly body of an angle between the observer meridian and a vertical circle passing through the body. Okay. Declination. Okay. Declination is the crystal body of the uh, angular distance from the plane of the equator measured along with the star meridian. Generally, it called declination circle. Okay. Declination varies from 0 to 90, marked plus or minus according to bodies of the north and south of the equator. The pole inclination or polar distance, okay, it is the angular distance of the heavenly body of the near the pole. It is the complement of the declination. P is equal to 90 by alpha, okay, beta. Okay, hover angles of the right Hn. Okay, hover circle of the great circle passing to the north of crystal body. The declination circle's heavenly body, it is the hover circle. Okay. And hover angle is the heavenly body angle between the observer meridian, declination circle passing through the body. The hourly angle always measured by westward. Westward. Okay. Right ascension. Right ascension RA is the equal angular distance measured eastward from the first point of axis the to the hover circle through the heavenly body. Eclipse and Solaris. Eclipse is the greater circle of the heavenly body which sun appears described the crystal surface with the earth the center of the course of year. The plan of this eclipse include the plan of the equator angle about 23 degrees 7 subject to the dimension of 5 in the century. Okay. Solid is the point of the north and south declination of the sun on maximum. The point C is the north declination of the sun maximum for summer solstice. The point C is the south declination of sun maximum winter solstice and just reverse of the southern hemisphere. Okay, equatorial point, the point intersection of the ecliptic uh, with the equator are called equator point. The declination of the sun is zero of the equator point. Equator is the first point of Eric. Uh, the sun changes from the south to north. The point of commencement of spring, the fixed point of the crystal sphere, the atomic equinox of the first point of Libra. Mm, the point which sun declination changes from north to south, the mark commencement from atom, both the equivalent point of the 6 month part of the time. Okay, north and south west direction. Now north and south west direction. North and south the point is correspond projection of the north and south poles, the horizon, the meridian lines which observe the meridian plane meet the place north and south point of the extreme of it. The direction of the zenith point in a plane of horizon direction north, while the direction of the plane zenith uh, in the direction of south east-west line, the prime meet the horizon of the extreme of it since the meridian is perpendicular both the equator and horizontal plane. Intersection of the horizontal determine east and west point. Now we can see all the points in this one. Okay, we can see the coordinate, all the terms, equator, eclipse, coordination, hour and a meridian first quantified, right? Okay, hour.